Welcome to this tutorial on managing Klarna Pay in 4, a popular payment method that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free installments. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of managing your Klarna Pay in 4 payments, providing you with key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. To start, it is essential to understand how Klarna Pay in 4 works. When you choose to use Klarna Pay in 4 at checkout, you will be asked to provide your payment information and confirm your purchase. Your total purchase amount will then be divided into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. To manage your Klarna Pay in 4 payments, you will need to log in to your Klarna account. From there, you can view your upcoming payments, payment history, and any outstanding balances. You can also use this platform to make payments, update your payment information, and track your spending. One of the key benefits of using Klarna Pay in 4 is that it allows you to budget and manage your finances more effectively. By splitting your purchases into 4 interest-free installments, you can avoid overspending and make more informed purchasing decisions. For example, if you purchase an item for $100, you will pay $25 every 2 weeks for 8 weeks. To ensure that you never miss a payment, it is crucial to set up payment reminders and notifications. You can do this by logging in to your Klarna account and updating your notification preferences. You can also set up automatic payments, which will deduct the payment amount from your account on the due date. In addition to managing your payments, it is also important to monitor your spending and stay within your budget. Klarna provides a range of tools and features to help you do this, including spending tracking and budgeting advice. By using these tools, you can get a clearer picture of your finances and make more informed purchasing decisions. Finally, if you are having trouble making a payment, it is essential to contact Klarna as soon as possible. They offer a range of support options, including phone, email, and live chat. By reaching out to Klarna, you can get help and avoid any late fees or penalties. In conclusion, managing Klarna Pay in 4 is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and planning. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can use Klarna Pay in 4 to budget and manage your finances more effectively, avoid overspending, and make more informed purchasing decisions. Remember to always monitor your spending, set up payment reminders, and contact Klarna if you have any issues.